Picture this: a warm, fluffy biscuit fresh out of the oven, its golden surface glistening with a layer of rich, creamy honey butter. The mere thought of it can make your taste buds dance in anticipation. Today, we embark on a culinary journey to uncover the secrets of crafting the perfect honey butter, a magical blend of sweetness and creaminess that elevates your dining experience to a whole new level. Before we dive into the kitchen, let me entice you with another intriguing video that delves into the world of honey, how to test honey authenticity. It's a must-read for all honey enthusiasts, so be sure to check it out after this delicious adventure. Gathering the essentials. Our journey begins with the basics. To make honey butter, you'll need two primary ingredients: butter and honey. It's a simple yet divine combination that forms the foundation of this culinary delight. Now, when it comes to honey, quality matters. Choose a pure, unprocessed honey to infuse that natural sweetness into your butter. The authenticity of honey can greatly affect the flavor of your honey butter, so be discerning in your selection. Opt for unsalted butter to have better control over the saltiness of your creation. With these essentials in hand, you're ready to start your honey butter making adventure. Preparing the ingredients. Preparing the ingredients might seem like a minor step, but it's essential for achieving the perfect texture and flavor. Begin by allowing your butter to soften to room temperature. This makes it easier to mix and ensures a smoother consistency in your honey butter. As for the honey, consider using raw, unprocessed honey. It carries a more vibrant flavor profile compared to its processed counterpart, enhancing the overall taste of your creation. The essence of honey lies in its purity, and this choice can make a world of difference. Mixing to perfection. Now, let's dive into the heart of the process: mixing the softened butter and honey to perfection. Take your time with this step. The key is to achieve a harmonious blend where the honey infuses every ounce of butter with its golden sweetness. Feel free to experiment with bursts of creativity. A pinch of cinnamon can add a warm, spicy undertone to your honey butter, while a dash of sea salt can create a delightful sweet and savory balance. The world of honey butter is your canvas, so let your culinary imagination run wild. Serving and enjoying. With your honey butter creation complete, it's time to savor the fruits of your labor. There are numerous ways to enjoy honey butter. Spread it generously on warm biscuits, pancakes, or freshly baked bread. The possibilities are as endless as your imagination. Close your eyes and savor the moment as the creamy sweetness of honey and the rich, velvety texture of butter melt together on your taste buds. It's a sensory experience that transcends the ordinary. Storing and preserving. If, by some miracle, you manage not to devour all your honey butter in one sitting, you'll want to know how to store it properly. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, and it will stay fresh for several weeks. Just remember, the fresher, the better. Your honey butter journey begins. In conclusion, the journey to create honey butter is both simple and magical. It's a testament to the fact that some of the most extraordinary culinary experiences can be crafted from the simplest ingredients. Now, armed with the knowledge of creating the perfect honey butter, your culinary adventure begins. So, go ahead, try it out, and let your taste buds revel in the delightful fusion of honey and butter. Closing remarks and call to action. Thank you for joining us on this sweet journey of discovery. We hope you'll be inspired to try making honey butter and share your experiences with us. Remember to check out the related video, How to Test Honey Authenticity, to deepen your appreciation for honey's authenticity and quality. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Hive Tales for more exciting culinary explorations. Like, share this video with fellow food enthusiasts, and leave your comments below to share your thoughts and tips on making honey butter. Let's keep the honey and butter love alive.